So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Raftom over here and welcome to the brand new video about us, my GC friends of course. So this is going to be your first time in seeing my other two friends. So let me introduce you guys to other two friends of mine. You already know Vives and this is his face actually and don't mind him about that. So Vives, you don't know him. Now let's introduce two friends today. First we have Pionilla, Enrique Pionilla, one of my childhood best friends since kindergarten or before kindergarten. We've been friends.
What's up?
Yep. Now we have Salvador down here. We have Salvador down here, of course. Also my childhood
Hello.
friends since kindergarten as well. So Pio, what do you want to say something to the viewers?
Let's get this started.
How about you, Salvador? Do you want to say something to the viewers?
Yeah. Well,
How about you, viewers? You right there.
don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what you want us to do next. And just enjoy. Hope this is entertaining for everyone.
We will make this entertaining to you all. Remember that. We're going to make you entertain more than we did on the last Roblox video I made with Vives only. We only made one Roblox video, which is introducing many Roblox games that me and Vives made, and that's kind of crazy and chaotic. Now it's going to be much more chaotic, much more organized, and much more fun than before the video I made. So, before we're gonna start this video, like Vives said, please click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the notification bell, and comment down below what do you think about this video. And let's get this video hyped to reach about 200 subscribers, of course, or reaching 100 subscribers. That's my goal. And reaching about more views about this. And there's going to be more upcoming videos about us, more in the Minecraft series, or I'm going to make a YouTube video about we're going to adventure, all of us. That's all. Anyways, yeah, Salvador.
Hold on.
Yeah, wait.
I'll be back.
Let's hold on. We got.
Hold on, guys. Just, little hold.
Sa baba, habang naglalayo tayo. So, makikita nyo yung reaction namin ni Pionelia, ni Vives, tsaka ni Salvador. Okay na lang ka, okay ka dyan, Pio?
Sir.
Okay ka lang, okay lang, sure ka ba okay lang sa'yo na makikita yung reaction mo, yung nakabukas ng camera?
That's fine.
Okay, ikaw Salvador, okay lang ba sa'yo?
Oh, I'm back.
Ikaw Vives. Let's interview.
I'm doing good. I'm just cooking rice. Look at this.
Okay, okay guys, let's interview Salvador. Let's interview each of my friends first before we're gonna play games. This is going to be a short while intermission. Okay, first, let's going to ask about Salvador. Okay, Salvador, what are you doing today?
I'm cooking rice.
Cooking rice.
Oh my god.
Okay, Pio.
Gusto niyo makikita? Wait.
Okay.
Basta ito. Wait lang.
Basta ito. Ay!
Oh god. So Asian. Yummy.
Okay. So, next question, Salvador. What do you do? What do you do else other than cooking rice? What hobbies do you do usually? Oh wait, we lost Salvador. I repeat, we lost Salvador.
Back.
Okay, next question for Salvador again. What do you do other than games? Like what your other hobbies?
I hang out with you guys in real life. That's true.
That's true. And we also had many times, funny times. So you're gonna see this video more about guys that we're going to have fun and have many. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ewan ko ba't ko nalabas.
Daming blooper.
I mean, maganda yun. Na for the content, maganda yun na madaming bloopers yun. Yun yung maganda. Yeah, how about you? What do you usually do in the house if you do nothing?
I just like play Roblox, Minecraft. I sometimes go on Instagram and TikTok
With who?
with my other friends in Maris. Okay, good.
Bro, we're having an intermission because look, Salvador is still not there in the computer. Okay, so
cooking.
okay, so
Also, this is not going on the
yeah.
main video.
So this is actually guys, fun fact. This is actually first time ever that Pionelia and Salvador is joining us in the brand new video that I'm going to make and face reveal them. And yeah, not only Pio and Salvador, this is actually three of them, Pio, Salvador, and Vives, first time face revealing to you guys. Because you see my face as well.
Wait, Beavis has never face revealed?
Nope, he never face reveal. Because naglalaro kami noon na ako lang yung nagre-record na walang reaction. Ganun lang. So this
That's
is
so
going
It's all
so this is going to be our first time recording four of us with our reaction recorded in the below of my screen.
right.
The problem is Salvador is still cooking rice, being an Asian son.
right.
Ano ginagawa mo? Ba't ka naglalakad-lakad na lang?
Iniintay ko pinuto yung kanin.
Ano daw? Ano?
Ito nga ako. Yeah.
Because nag-meeting kasi kami ni Pionelia, nagko-comparean kami ng mga parts namin. Kasi una kong tanong sa kanya, ano yung physical memory niya, which is yung RAM. Hindi niya alam kung ano yun.
What?
Tapos hinahanap niya kung ano yun. Sabi niya sa akin, 8 gigabytes. So sinabi ko sa kanya, so pang 3 times yung akin. Well, it is better. Na alam niya naman.
8 gigabytes din ako eh.
Malay niyo, magsi-16 gigabytes naman na kayo sooner kapag nabago na kayo.
Pre, okay, I'm just gonna be honest right here for the people watching this video. Kasi, like, I've asked my dad many times to upgrade my laptop. He doesn't listen. Like, hindi siya nakikinig. So, just gonna say it out here, my dad never listens.
Actually,
Okay?
that's true.
Yeah.
Yan yung
Put
sinasabi
out
mo
there.
na. Sinasabi mo na.
Yeah. Terrible father? I don't know.
You never know. You never know. You never know. Father never truly shows their love in front of their sons. Only in not mentally
Mm.
but in physically. But you never know in the upcoming years that father can show their love in the mentally and physically as well.
Lagi nagmumura sa akin eh. So,
Okay lang yun. Malay mo kapag nag-pop up itong YouTube channel na to, pwede pa kita bilhin ng laptop or best part PC.
pre, like, parang
Mom?
ini-insult ko yung tatay ko online. Parang di yan maganda. So, medyo kailangan i-cut to.
Ikakat ko naman, ikakat ko yan. Huwag kang magalala.
Alright. Just gonna be honest here.
I was just someone else.
Pero, masasabi ko lang sa'yo, pre, kapag mataas na yung kita ko dito sa YouTube channel ko, pwede kita bilhin ng bagong PC.
Wala na yung money.
Yes. I have faith in this channel.
Para
I
pwede
believe.
kita bilhin ng 32 gigabytes of RAM, more storage, best GPU, best fan, mga ganun, best CPU.
Yan, para anong salita, mas, tayo diverse into more content. Yeah.
Alam mo, di ko alam kung pwede mag-record sa SM sa totoo lang. Pero kasi gusto ko gumawa ng YouTube natin to. Ginawa natin sa SM.
Oh, wait! Real life up! Hey!
Diba? Kasi sabi ko kasi kay Pionelia na magkikita tayo sa first floor ng department store ng SM sa harapan, hindi sa loob, sa harapan ng SM department store.
Okay.
Tapos pwede tayo gumawa ng video nung sa mga kakulitan natin. Sana hindi tayo mahuli.
Hindi.
Actually guys, sa totoo yan, upcoming this Sunday, magre-record ako ng ginagawa namin in SM Cinema. Kasi nanonood kami the brand new movie Iron Lung by Markiplier, which is one of the favorite YouTubers as well. And we're gonna watch the first ever YouTuber made a movie. And yes, I'm excited because I love Iron Lung as
You're gonna
well.
make a vlog out of it? Out of that?
No, of course not. I'm not gonna vlog inside of the cinema. We're gonna spoil them.
Oh, yeah. What at the cinema? Phone's not allowed to bro.
I'm not gonna
In the mall.
I'm not gonna record in the cinema, but I'm gonna record in the mall.
Yeah, so that's what I meant. The mall.
Yeah, the mall. But not in the cinema.
Yeah, the mall. The mall outside the cinema.
And then we're gonna the food.
Yep.
The food.
We're gonna
Wait! Wait.
Oof. Okay. So this is the spin the
Oh
wheel.
my
Ang
god.
dami! So
Yo,
many!
chill.
So we have about 5 wheels. One is
Sila,
categorized.
sila.
300.
One
What?
one is categorized Roblox games, which is total of 4 categorized. One is funny but crazy. Second is zombie or shooting game. Third is scary. Fourth is serious games. That's all. And thank you.
Real. Chill. Ang dami.
Okay, let's make the sounds
Ang
of
dami!
spin the wheel.
Wow!
Kanina yun. What we will get? Oh my god, don't tell me it's scary.
No, 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 no. Oh, let's go. Pio. Pio. Yes. Scary.
Kaya ka na. Ow!
Oh no.
No, chica.
Let's go, Pio. Let's go, Pio.
Alam mo, kakausap lang natin apat na ito yung mga games ng scary, ito yung mga games ng scary. Nakuha natin scary. For the first game in this video, scary.
Scary. Okay?
No! No!
This is the first game that we're gonna play, and the categorized that we pick is scary. Anyways, okay, so Pio, good luck, and Pio, good luck,
Good
Vives,
luck,
good
Pio.
luck. Pio, good luck, Vives, good luck, me, good luck, and yeah, no Saboteur. Okay, so we got scary. So let's go to the scary wheel. Spin! Ay, Vives, di ba, ikaw ba gumawa ng ingay kanina? Yun. Okay, gawin mo yan ah. Pag
Yeah.
sabi ko spin, kapag sabi ko wheel, gawin mo yan. Spin! The wheel! Don't tell me it's Bite by Nights.
Oh,
Oh shit, it's paranormal.
paranormal.
It's like Blair.
What's that?
It's like Blair. It's like Blair.
Ah, okay, it's
Okay,
easy.
okay,
It's
okay.
easy. That's
I
easy.
think
Medyo easy.
it's like Blair. Yan yung alam ko. Pero di ko pa
Fine.
nalalayo yan. So we have
Go, join. Pio, get ready. Get ready to crop yourself, Pio.
so this is paranormal. I think this is not like Blair, to be honest. I'm going to be serious about
Fine.
this.
Fine.
Wait lang, gawa ko ng server. Okay. Scary Pio.
Hello.
Okay, so customize. Ano hello? Yun. Pati di pa yun kita makita sa baba. Sa totoo lang. 3 lang talaga naglalabas. It's kinda
Papadali ko na sa server. Wait lang. Nag-refresh kasi yun ng Roblox.
Di pa nag-join. Okay. Salvador, mag-online ka na sa Roblox. So guys, di nyo makikita yung reaction ni Salvador na yun kasi 3 lang pala yung nakikita sa baba. Why?
Ooh.
So guys, as you can see, di ko alam kung nakita niyo yung spin the wheel kasi parang nagkamali ako dito. Pero nanginginig mo naman kami. So, just for your information, we got scary as categorized and we got paranormal as the first game that we're gonna play today. And this is the reaction. So this is the game all about is paranormal, which is the game of like phasmophobia. But this time is you're not gonna get some different kinds of ghosts. This is only just I remember only one ghost that we encounter. So from the start of the game that you're going to be is from the entrance of the house, which is the abandoned house. You need to press C to crouch, or if you are in the desktop, you have to press C to crouch to go under that plank to go inside fully at the house. And as for now, the gameplay all about this is you need some items to equip yourself, and there are 4 dudes playing this paranormal. If I remember, maximum of players is 6, and yeah, as you can see, the players are different designs. There are blue, yellow, and I don't know what color that the character has on the screen, which is you have to open every single door that you saw, like cabinets, desktops, drawers, some of like that you need to interact with pressing E. to get some equipments like medkit, guns to fight with other people, to fight the paranormal itself, to defend yourself, and there's going to be objective on the right side of your screen to do the objective itself. And yes, we have night vision as well for to see in the dark. As you can see over here, that there will be an night vision available with, and you can hide under the tables and some other stuff, but mostly in the tables, as you can see it said over there, from pressing C as well to hide in the tables. And that's pretty much it. You need some material, you need some equipments, some materials, and to be safe to do the paranormal itself. You need to get the paranormal ghost itself and escape the building. It's all about the game itself that the paranormal has. So I hope you have fun watching the video that we did to you guys. So that's all about it, and see you there. Cannot see me. That's why. Where's Salvador?
Where's Salvador?
Where's Salvador?
Not in the game yet.
Um,
Sal, where are you?
no! Oh, God!
Nakita ko yun, namatay bigla. Ganito kasi ginawa ni Salvador, ganito ginawa ni Vives eh. Nagbiglang tumalon dito eh, for some reason.
Wow.
Ah!
Okay, one funny moment.
Yeah,
Whee!
the best funny moment is that Salvador is not in the game. I feel like Salvador lagged. So we had changed plans. I think Salvador is not going to be. It's going to be hard to get again. It's going to be difficult. So we're gonna play 3 of us only.
Sorry, Sal.
Have to play?
Sorry, Sav, that we.
We have to play. We have to play.
What do you want to do? Oh, let's choose easy, of course.
It's just too easy because I don't think Pionila can handle it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Salvador join. Okay, move.
Okay, get out.
Salvador, what happened?
On my end,
What happened?
What happened to you?
I was lagging for some reason.
In your phone?
Phone?
In your computer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Salvador is in the game, so you cannot see. So, fuck.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so let's choose 4 players. Easy, difficulty, easy. Okay, Salvador, enter. Salvador.
Get in.
Okay, ready?
Well, no.
Si Pio! Si Pio! Si Pio!
I'm a bit delayed, so never mind.
Oh, what the heck?
Alam mo guys, mukha akong tapang pero hindi ko kaya masyado sa mga horror games mostly in Roblox.
I'm a bit delayed. Hold on, the video's kind of delayed for me.
So, me and Pio already got scared. And especially...
Ooh, paranormal.
Yes, good, baby. Good.
Good.
I
Scared
guess I'm
already. We
fine.
just started.
Wait, am I fine?
Oh!
Well,
Oh,
oh,
God.
yeah.
Okay. Never show again. Okay, wait. Wait now, hold on. Welcome to Paranormal. Look for glowing objects to find key items. Press E to interact with the highlighted items.
Okay.
Press Q to drop equip items. Left mouse button to use equip items. That's all. Thank you. That's what we got here. Oh, we got tokens. Okay. Let's see what I don't know what we're gonna do.
Game.
We do here? We are like random figures.
Woo!
Who's this
Guys.
pumpkin? Who are you? Who's this pumpkin? Who's this one crawling?
That's me.
I don't.
Sino yung blue? Sino yung blue squid? Sino yung
I'm
takataka
a yellow guy.
How do you crawl?
Bro, I'm the pumpkin. And who's the blue guy that I'm following?
Oh,
I think
yeah.
that's me.
Who is the blue guy?
Oh wait, guys, hold on. The username is at the bottom right. Bottom right.
There you go. Who's the blue guy?
Me, that's me.
Oh, so Vives is the
Come on,
doggy.
come on.
So Vives is the doggy. Salvador is the banana. Ay, no. Vives is the banana. Who is the doggy? Who's the doggy? Oh, that's
I'm the
Vives.
dog.
Okay, so this is Pionera, the blue one. Okay, let's get some keys.
Who's the banana?
That's Vives. I'm the pumpkin that you said. You said I'm the pumpkin, so I'm the pumpkin. Press
Okay.
C. Press C to crouch, alright? Remember that.
Z.
C or control?
C. Or you can press control as well.
It's up to you.
That's what I do. I press control.
Ooh, soda.
Zon, you're
This?
gonna protect me, alright?
What?
TV.
The
What?
soda.
You're gonna
What's
protect me,
Is
right?
it playing the Golden Anthem?
I don't know, man.
Ay,
What
got
is count?
but
What is count?
appeared
So
in the
funky.
inventory.
Press E. No, napatay ko yung TV.
Don't turn off the TV. I'm trying to watch something.
Hey, what is that? Oh.
That's
Who
a
keeps turning on the night vision?
paranormal activities yan, boys. Paranormal activities. Tandaan nyo yun kapag naka-flicker ang ilaw. Find
Okay.
and pick up your flashlights in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yep.
Wait.
Good luck.
Night vision.
Good luck. Baka nandito yung mga
Uh,
paranormal.
That's not necessary, right? Do we have to do this?
I mean, we have to do
Of
it
course,
for the
Theo, we have to do
content.
this for the people. Record player. So record player. We also got a candle. Find and
Don't
pick up
protect me.
your flashlight in the kitchen. Where's the flashlight in the kitchen?
Blow
That's the
out.
question.
Oh, so, wait, what? Blow
What's
out
this?
all the candles in the living room.
Blow the candles, guys.
Alright.
You can hide under. You.
Yo, what?
Wait.
Yo, what?
Oh.
Toto! Hide! Quick!
Yo, what? Why would you say already you can hide under the tables? So don't tell me that
What's going
this is
on?
a-
Wait.
Quick,
Chat. Wait. What happened? What did you guys see? I didn't see
I
anything.
feel like this is going to be the paranormal activity time. Kung paano pagkahanap, mag-roam around siya.
Huddle.
Every time na may paranormal activity, nag-activate yung night vision automatically. Why?
Yes.
Ano, para saan ba to?
3, 2.
Para makakita tayo sa ilalim, ay sa dark. Ano ba sa tingin mo?
Okay,
That's why it's called
sure.
night vision. So, I feel like it means that the paranormal activity or the person of the person.
Guys, we haven't gotten our flashlights
I'm
yet.
just gonna
Just
stay under
realized.
this table.
Why?
Is that you? Wait, is
Wait.
this you?
Why would the text says on the door says come to garage, I can help you. Pointing the arrow says that.
Oh my
I'm not going in
gosh,
there.
come to
Bye.
garage.
Vives, Salvador, look at this door. You see
I
that-
know,
you
I can
that
see.
arrow?
Look above.
Come to
There's a bunch
garage.
of, you know what? Let's be tough. Let's run in the halls.
So, where is the bathroom key? Bro, Pioneer is still there.
Theo, we're not gonna accomplish anything. We're just gonna be,
Oh, so this is the kids' room.
guys, the door opened by itself. Hold on. Is this normal ba? Wait lang.
No. It's just a motion.
What luck?
So
Oh,
each room has lights except the hallway one. What do you guys see here?
You guys go.
Guys, hold on. Kasi I think we need a flashlight. We haven't gotten our flashlight from the kitchen yet. Hold on.
Here. Ghost Hunter Season 3?
Ano, di pa na.
What?
We need to get a flashlight, guys. Find our flashlight somewhere in the kitchen.
Oh wait, hold on. Taasin ko lang
What
muna
the
yung volume.
hell?
Taasin ko lang muna yung volume ko, di ko mahinig dito eh.
Or
Wait. Infinite flashlight?
No!
Guys, we need the flashlights. We should
Oh.
have gotten the flashlight.
Oh, wait.
Garage?
P tuloy. Salvador, you found the garage key, so we need to find the garage. And the garage is over there, I feel like.
Guys, what about the flashlight? I don't know ba? We're just gonna travel in the dark.
Zon, wait.
Ayun
No!
Shit, maninig ako! Yun!
Oh god. No,
I got a
no,
garage key. I got a garage key.
guys. We need the flashlight, please. Let's just look for a flashlight. I cannot
Guys, I got a
see.
garage key.
Okay. Can we just
Okay.
focus on the flashlight
The
for
key is
now?
rusted, so kailangan natin maghanap ng... Wait.
Guys,
ano
look for
lang.
flashlight, please. Oh! What's that? What's that?
Oh!
Guys, it's a black man. It's a black.
Solve what?
Is that a black man or
Tago. That's the paranormal. That's a
Wait,
paranormal.
yo. There is someone there. There's a black
Someone
figure.
there.
That's a paranormal.
Maybe there's
That's the
What
paranormal.
is
There's someone there. There's someone there.
That's the paranormal. That's the paranormal, man.
I'm not going out there.
Go there.
Si Pio.
Go there.
Oh,
What are we supposed to do?
Wala tayong flashlights. Wala tayong weapon.
Guys, what are we supposed to
Ano
do?
ba na? Yun.
Wait
why
lang.
is this cave so scary?
That's why it's scary game.
He's still there. I see it. Ayun no? You see it?
Hold on, let me see.
Pre, wag mo lapitan yan.
Di ako yan, boy. Di ako yan. Remember, I'm the...
Yun no? Nakita mo ba?
Oh,
you know-
My
oh yeah, I
gosh,
saw it. I'm the pumpkin
That's
one.
the...
I'm the pumpkin guy. Remember that. I'm the pumpkin guy. That's Salvador.
We need, guys. We need to find
I'll turn on
something.
my air conditioner. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Focusing on... Why? Air conditioning.
Akala ko,
Bro, you're gonna shiver more.
bro, akala ko, alam mo yan, hindi pa yung nakabihis. BBR pa yung suot niya.
Oo, hindi ko sabihin. Hindi ko na suot niya.
Oh my goodness, Pio. Change your clothes. You're still using that same clothes you used in school.
Where'd you guys go? Oh, there you are.
Nakikita niyo ba yun ba yung lalaki? Parang kasi gusto ko makita.
I saw like a shadow figure.
That's the figure. That's
Nakikita
the
niyo,
figure.
ano ginagawa niyo dyan sa gilid?
We're looking for like flashlights or something. Something
Bro,
we can use.
Wala
for,
dito,
you
wala
know.
dito yung flashlights, wala dito. Doon tayo sa isang side tapot kung saan yung black man. That's kind of sus.
We should not, wait, black figure na lang. Yeah, call it a black figure, alright?
Yeah, black. Nandun pa yung siya.
Oh,
Ang lapit
Ah?
niya. Parang ang lapit niya, boy. Ang lapit niya.
Lapit ka dyan!
Yun o, mukhang siya malapit.
No.
Hindi, joke lang.
he's still there.
Mukha lang siya malapit. Pio, go.
He's a nice person.
Pio, you're the only one who doesn't leave in the table. Go.
Go!
Go, Pio, go. You're the leader. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go, Pio. Go, Pio. Go. Go, Pio. Go, Pio.
We're gonna jump the black.
Sinasabi mo ikaw yung top 1, di ba? Ikaw yung top 1. So, ikaw nga dapat mauna.
Oh,
Go, Pio. Go, Pio. Go. Go,
Pio,
Pio. Go,
go.
Pio. Go. Go, Pio. Go, Pio.
Oh,
Yay!
So, this game actually took us a while to play this. So, if you wanna watch the full video, comment down below. And we're gonna go ahead to another game. So, see you there. Alright, it spins.
Go now. I have to go now.
Alright, bye-bye, Salvador. Later.
Bye.
Okay, so the second game, funny but crazy. So, we lost one person. Spin that wheel! Let's see what we get. What's this? My prison.
prison.
Alright. So this game is My Prison. It's all about getting criminals in the cities, and you can earn money from using the criminals in your jail. Make your own jail, any design, expand your jail, get some police, workers, and other stuff that you need for the prison. And that's all about it. It's like a simulator game, tycoon game combined to each other. And yeah, that's all about it. And see you there from the next game.
I am here.
Okay, so do your own because it's like a tycoon.
I'll claim this one.
oh, I suck at building.
I'm creating my prison.
So this is my prison, guys. Actually, we played this before. This is the bathroom.
Okay.
One prisoner stink.
Fire
Add more
event.
shower. Fine.
Okay.
Film.
Medyo, I have so much to work on my prison.
Same. I have to
Okay.
redesign this prison, to be honest.
Add more shower. Where?
Okay.
I forgot how to play this game.
Well,
Same. Let's play.
I still suck.
Let's play this for a few minutes. Then we should do another one.
Oh no, my butas. Wait.
Oh my god. Nahulog ako. Okay, go.
Bruh. Sa toilet pa.
There's no prisoners.
We need a shower.
Sorry, but you have to go inside.
The problem is where do I put the shower?
Sorry, you
Oh,
have to go
here?
I
inside.
don't like those.
Look at the light. What?
You as
I'll
well.
just put a shower right outside.
It's a beautiful day in the
Must build on
neighborhood.
Must
It's
build on the wall. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious?
I'd say it's today.
I'm gonna put a shower like right. I don't know where to put the shower inside the prison cell.
Oh my
Bro, I have to
god.
expand my prison. Oh nah, bro.
Same.
This
I don't even have any criminals yet.
Well, you have to get your criminals to get
because I put a shower. Someone's showering inside the cell. I put a shower in the cell.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay, come on, Pray. Ginawa mo
oh
pa
my
talaga yun.
gosh. Tapos nagsasayaw pa habang nagsha-shower. I have to envision my prison. Oh, I did that. I feel like,
I can only hold like one criminal.
I mean, Pio, you just
I'm done
got
with
started.
criminals.
How do I make a
It's
wall?
okay.
Gray wall? It's like $10.
Yo, come
This
on.
is like $10. I don't know what to put here.
I'm gonna hire a new guard.
Can I even rotate this? Yeah, of course I can. Why cannot I?
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Oh, I'm spending my money. Wait, how do I break walls? Oh, blood. Item picker. Classic wall. Oh, fun. Chicken.
I think we should spin a wheel again.
How do I destroy a wall?
Vives,
How can I
Pio.
sell?
Vives, Pio, do you think should I spin a wheel again?
Yeah, this spin.
Maybe.
Alright. We got funny but crazy again. Again. We got
Um,
nope. Okay, again. We got Detective Doc.
Doc.
This is the game about Detective Duck that you are homeless duck and you need money to get some bread. But until you found some papers that are hiring as a detective, which is you got the skills to do it. So you got hired from this new company that you are in detective was, and this is the training area to see uh, how many people that been suspect to steal the safe. So as you can see, there's a file folder here that has all the suspects are needed, and you have to see all evidence that have been happened in the scene, like the hair, the tools, the sceneries, and other stuff that you need to look around. You have to explore all the areas you need to possibly explore with to get the evidence you needed to get that suspect arrested, not from. So as you can see that every doc has a role to look around to get their evidence. You can get some keys to open new rooms as well to explore more deeper for to get known as the evidence until you get all the evidence now, so you can end the investigation to talk all the suspects are in the folder. So you can ask many questions. For the practice, you can ask many questions to them. But from the real time, you can only ask about few questions to get your answer with. After questioning all the suspects that you are suspicious with, vote the suspect that you are suspicious with. And if you voted the right person, they will say the friend was the most voted and it will go to the jail to win the victory. That's all.
I'm here.
Alright. Nag-welcome pa naman kayong dalawa, so naantay ko kayo. Pio! 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 Vives!
Dali!
Vives! Wag! Pio! Pio! Dito tayo sa apartment tutorial tayo sa bagay dito tayo. Pero kasi pumasok ka agad ng bigla na wala ka naman sinabi. Pasok, pasok.
Dali na!
Pio!
No, not here. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get legit, get out, bro.
One moment.
Pio, bilis! Pio! Vives, alis! Leave, leave, leave! Pio!
Okay. Finally!
Alright, let's go find some goals.
Look at this.
Next, check your inventory. The folder holds suspects.
Hi, Friday, 2-4 again.
Compare their story with the clues. Interrogate suspects to expose lies. When you're ready to walk, the thief is
I
probably
think it's the plumber.
Pero kasi nga, kapag binindot mo to, the thief is probably a messy person.
And the plumber is known to be
So
messy.
it's a messy person,
And we
plunger.
have a plunger.
And the plumber left the tool behind. And there's the tool right here in the bathroom.
The suspect could have a black hair.
Bro, I feel like it's suspect 3.
Looks like someone forgot something. There's a tool.
This.
Yep, I think it's suspect 3. Like, it's so obvious.
There must be green key somewhere to open this door. Kailangan natin magkakaroon ng green door. Ay, green key.
I only have a room key. Oh, wait, I have it the whole time.
Oh, come on, man! You can now end of an investigation. Keep your phone and click and tutorial bonus. You have unlimited questions on this map. Future map. Unlimited questions. Need more questions later? You can buy them in the lobby or while playing the other maps. The suspect left hair behind. Always make sure to intake. Oh, there's a crowbar. A crowbar. A tool that blacksmith used to use.
Blacksmith?
Could it belong to
Wait a minute.
So these are leading up to the plunge to the thief.
Hold on. So, hindi pwede janitor, of course. Hindi yun best
I
friend.
think-
Suspect. Okay, wait. Let me see. Suspect 1, suspect 2 is not the suspect.
Yeah,
Suspect.
definitely.
Suspect 3, suspect 4, suspect 5 are suspect to me. Because there's a crowbar, man. It could be for a blacksmith. And it's
I
visit
think,
of...
okay, here's my theory.
Oh, wait. Suspect 3 or suspect 4 ay suspect 5 yung choices ko. Because, ito yung reason ko. So, yung suspect 5 has a black hair and it left a tool and a crowbar. And it says over here, works as a blacksmith and known to be a messy. And there's a vase over here that could be a messy to him.
Very nosy but clean. Asked about victim.
Hold on. I have a
Suspect
theory.
4, baka daw hindi na pwede. Hindi na siya pwede.
Suspect,
Pero yung suspect 3 and 5 na talaga.
suspect 1, 2, and 4, di pwede sila. Alam ko na yun.
Alright, here's what my theory. I think suspect 5 worked
Yeah,
together with
I think
suspect
suspect 3
3.
has no
That's
hair.
my theory.
Anyways, alam na namin na ako na yung gagawin namin ni viewers.
Okay,
Oh.
both suspects.
Tsaka na to. Let's not ask janitor, the best friend. Let's ask the friend. Ask questions first. Where were you from? Where were you Friday at 2 to 4 p.m.? I was at the party,
at home.
closed down, left,
Honestly,
late, went
I can't
searching.
believe this
Yung
is
safe.
happening.
You know about the safe? A safe? No, the victim never mentioned the safe to me. Being a black safe, could you open up? What kind of question is that? I make two, so I don't track safe. That's a ridiculous question.
Let's try the plumber.
Okay.
No, the victim never mentioned a safe to me. Huh?
Last questions. How long did it take to fix the toilet? A while. The victim was always losing things, even dropping their keys down there once. Had to fish them out. Home, sleeping. My back was killing me from the toilet job. Oh, blast? That's mine, isn't it? I must have left it. But the screwdriver? You think I opened the safe with that? Look at the damage. A simple screwdriver didn't do that. Okay. How about this? Vives.
Wait lang. I think it's the friend. It has to be siya. My black hair siya.
Well done, detective. You caught the right guy. See?
Yee!
Told you. Welcome to the
Wait,
jewelry
wait.
store.
Store.
A robbery has happened here at 10:30 a.m.
today.
today. Click and tap object to interact. Inspect the map closely. The environment reveals the suspect's habit. Find clues and then identify the thief. Good luck. Hey guys, there's a footprint over here.
Broken glass.
Should we interact here?
Ooh.
Hey guys, there's some note. The thief used this van to break into jewelry store. The one king found the cash register key inside the
On
bin.
the cash register key.
Ayan, yun ang sinabi. Clone
Cash registered click loan in trash can.
2550.
6-7.
Are you serious right now?
W.
Uy.
Okay, so what have we got so
So
far?
that's the stuff. Oh, pre, dito kaya. Dito kaya. Shit. Oh, wait. Hold on. It says here, suspect 1, Tyler, the vandal. So may spray paint dito.
Paint on hands, body gray.
Oh, whoa. I found
Smells
I
like-
found a robbery plan.
Huh?
Robbery starts at 10:30 p.m.
Can I
About
see?
7 minutes till police arrives. Turn off electricity. Turn on the doors.
You have 7 minutes till police arrives.
Okay.
Someone lost their ID card while running. So, si Tyler, spray painter, naiwan yung ID niya. The one already crashed into the light bulb. Oof.
Sample. Got a fingerprint sample. I got a fingerprint sample.
Pia. Buksan mo dito, pagsan mo dito. Oh, wait,
There.
never mind.
Wait. I got a fingerprint sample.
Alright. Susi.
I have one.
Open mo.
Let Japan.
Ano? Gumana? Four, three, two, zero.
Someone lost their ID. Running. Tyler.
Uy!
Whoa.
What's the code?
There's no electricity. Fine. So, kailangan natin ng electricity, boys.
Gosh, we have power.
CCTV.
That's what we need.
Wait! Oh man!
10:40 a.m. That's most likely a businessman.
I got it. I got it. Scanning.
Denim. So tama nga ako.
Businessman.
Damn it. The businessman.
Oh, oh, oh,
Investigation.
oh.
And
Okay.
exactly who it is.
Last questions muna tayo. Where
Right,
were you at?
businessman.
I was at my office. Working on my business. Nope.
Hey,
Businessman.
But, bro, he lied. He lied into my face.
oh my.
His business broke down. Remember that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Return to lobby. Woo! Great job, boys.
Go.
Nice part.
Shall we spin another game or shall we continue this game?
Let's try one more of it. More.
Okay. What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? Zombie shooting
Zombie
ulit.
shooting.
Okay. So back to zombie shooting. What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? Here is 100 ways. So this is 100 waves later. The game that you're going to get each wave. And if there's one person alive on each wave, the both teams you had or the players that you have in the team will get revived as well. If there's one person alive as well, that you will get revived. And as you can see, each wave will have more zombies to cast, and there's a lucky box that you can open to get random chances of guns or melee weapons as well. And there are upgrades on each wave. They will pick you 3 upgrades that they have, which is you're gonna choose them one by one on each wave. So that's all about the game. It is. So have fun from shooting the game, shooting zombies especially, getting more weapons, upgrade, and yes, hello, hello, hello. Are you ready, Vives?
Yes. I'm coming in.
Bakit parang style niya is pang 99 nights?
Really?
Yung trophy, tingnan mo, yung trophy niya, parang akala mo knights.
Okay, let's proceed.
Wait lang si Salvador. Yun o, si Salvador, yung mukhang baliw. Anyways, let's go here. Take
Yes,
cheap,
yes, yes, yes,
party
yes, yes,
size.
yes, yes.
Dito, dito, dito! Saan kayo? Dito! Dito! Salvador, dito!
Alvin!
Salve!
We cannot use emotes here. Never mind.
Charlotte started playing. So guys, this is our about 4 or 5 games playing today. So, yay. I don't know how many games we did. Salvador just realized that he's alone. We should get plus health. X.
Pistol, ano ba yan?
Mami pa kayo sa pistol. Woo!
Health,
Lock.
health, health, health.
Lock ako, lock ako. Wala ko na kung health sa option. We got different options.
Oh my gosh, they're so red.
We got duplicate.
Fire rates, of course, fire
Fire
rates.
rate. X. Oh, hello, doggy.
I
70.
think Bill. Oh, dang.
Oh, no, that's not a Belcher.
That's boss.
That's the tank boss. It's a big boy.
There we go.
5 plus kills.
Rusty key. Wait.
Oh my god, Rusty Key. So we got Rusty Crate.
Speeder. Yung mga
Peter.
nang wah.
Yung... ba't tunog na yun?
Yung mga nag-o dyan.
Yeah. Bakit ba yun ni Salvador? Yung splitters?
Yan na sila, yung mga maliliit na wah.
Hawk 2.
Yan yung tank?
Hindi.
Oh, no.
Oh my god! No, I don't use heavy rifles. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh, that's the necromancers.
Oh.
Tanda mo, sinabi
Hindi
ko,
ka
huwag niyo ipaputok yan.
Ano ba yan?
Oh! Charger!
Hindi pa charge.
Hindi, as in charger talaga. Susugod.
Wow.
Yo, ang daming umahabol sa akin. Ay, na naman siya.
Oo. Salvador, no.
Ah! Woo! Woo!
Fazo, no.
Ow! Oof.
Fazo, di ka dito. Kaya mo to.
One time I
Kaya mo
just
yan.
scratch. Oh!
Yes. Yes.
It's a clutch! No. Amo. X ko na yan.
Yes. Mamatay ulit si Salvador.
Pepe,
Salvador.
mamamatay tayong dalawa. Di ko na kaya to,
Hindi kasi
i-glitch.
Blood.
Di ko na kaya to. No! Okay, game. Spin that wheel. Aba, nawala na yung cord natin, ah. Funny but crazy.
Crazy.
3, 2, 1, go. This game called is Night Shift. You and your friends are working on the grocery store at the night. That's why it calls Night Shift. So you have to find a box to restock the shelves, avoid customers so you won't get distracted to restock all the shelves that needed for the upcoming days for the groceries to reopen. But if you get caught from the customers, you need to put them on the specific aisle so you won't be distracted more again. If you reach the specific aisle of the restock, you have to put all items over there until you are done at restocking. And if you did it everything restocking, you win the game. But if the breaker is shut down, you have to go to the breaker area to switch on all the switches to open your generator one more again. And that's all about the game. Avoid customers, restock everything to win the game. That's all about Night Shift. We got sauce. Ah!
Ano ba to? Ano ba yan?
Craving, where's the candy aisle? Candy aisle.
Ano ba to?
Don't know
Yan.
how. No. Boo, I'm looking for the season. The day for the season is here. Kitchen. Nakita pa kita. Entered the wrong aisle, what? Pre, ano ginagawa mo?
Ginapato ko lang yung box sa NPC hanggang. Okay, so come here.
Ano magbato? Ah, okay. Ganun pala. Kamusta yung sinastock nyo? The baker. The baker has been fixed. Hinahabol ka pa ni Queso. Bahala ka dyan. I have my own things and you have the own thing. Oh, you already knew where's the candy aisle. Why would I? Why?
What? Oh,
Says goodbye to the final person that we know and love. No, 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 no. Okay, never mind. Me and um, Race is highly anticipated favorite game that I wanted to play with my friends, which is this is why we play Brace the game. Brace is literally like demolish car game or something like a popular game before, like the mga animals. I don't remember what game it is, if I don't recall. But Brace, this is a game that you and your friends will be more chaos than it is because you're going to pick trucks to build your own racing trucks with some mysteries of ramps, history blocks, mga ganun. So you have to be fun and more chaotic with your friends, and of course, getting fall over and over and over again with your friends. That's all about race. Have fun playing with your friends as well on the coming years with this video as well. So, Vives, hello.
oh, ito na naman tayo.
Salvador, nandito ka na? Salvador, bilisan mo, bilisan mo, bilisan mo.
Oh, ito na naman tayo.
Let's go!
Wait, wait.
Ah! Nauna na ako. Pero akala ko makukulag ako.
It's fine. Basta kailangan kong gawin na hindi
Fine.
mag-crash.
Ito. Yun! Lahat tayo pumili ng ramp.
Are you serious?
That's evil, Salvador.
Guys, be
Pre!
careful, be careful. Ah!
Binangga mo ako. Si Salvador nahulog. Bro, why did you push me down?
Select a part.
Bro, I wanna play with with many people. Of course.
Minefield.
Try your best.
Okay.
Oh my god, puro zigzag yun ah.
Oh no. Wait, be careful! Be careful! Oh! Mape.
Patay si Salvador.
Oh, kala ko ikaw yan. It's
Hindi.
fine, Salvat. Ah! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Okay ba? Okay.
I'm stuck.
Ta 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 ta.
Not moving. Leaving race in 3, 2, 1. Wala. What?
Salvador! Come on! Okay, wee!
Eh,
Ito na lang, bugs. Yung nalapag ni Salvador, sinabog ko. Ginagawa niyong dalawa. Ginagawa niyong dalawa. Mukha kayong value. Woo! Bibis, namatay ka ulit?
no.
Bakit wala ka sa bar? Hmm? Si Salvador. Salvador! Salvador! Fall! Fall!
Oh.
Fall! 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 Nanalo siya. At least. Oh my god, Salvador picked the same tracks. He picked the same tracks. Salvador picked the same tracks as what I did. Beep. Oh shit. Si Salvador naipit. Ay ko.
No!
Ang lapit mo nun. Si Salvador nawala. Nag-stuck siya dun. Bim, 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 bim. Ano kaya? Pip, pip. Sino tumama ng bomba ko? Peng. Uy! No!
Sa baba. Pag ganito, abot ako. Pero pag nakababa ako, hindi mo siya.
Ano lang guys sa'yo, Vives?
Kaya dapat kung isa yun.
Vives! Vives! At least I won.
Patulog pa nga lang tayong dalawa. Tatlo na pantal ko.
Bro, this is better. Bro, this is better off with many people. Yeah. You did not get that, alright? Oh! Sobrang intense yung chucks na yan, ah. Let me go fast. Oh!
Oh, my.
Cheat code, cheat code, cheat code, cheat code.
Wala akong spec. Wait, wala naman akong pake kung hindi ako manana mag-spec kasi yung tatay ko.
Alright.
Basta hindi ako mamamatay.
Eh, si Salvador nakapasok ka agad.
Mystery box.
Ako na una. Ives, pick one.
Ay, ano, hindi ako mystery box.
Hindi, ako na una eh. Pick one.
Hindi ako pindot.
Ako pala. Ano ako?
Ini!
So, where did mine go? Already? Bro, don't you dare, Salvador. Don't you dare. Ay ko. Nakita ko yun.
Nililistak ko ng tatay.
Ah! Oh. Bilis pa lang.
Okay, gusto ko. Hindi, ayoko yan. Gusto ko.
Oh my days, what shucks. Ano yan?
When? February 27, 2026.
Si Salvador lumipad.
Yay!
Mamaya na.
Si Salvador na dun sa isang side table.
27.
Salvador.
Oo.
Yung.
No!
Akala ko mamatay. Naunahan pa ako. Taka na ako rin ah. Ala, 50 points. Ah! Ano nangyari natin? Ay, ikaw, sino nang sumunog yung kato? Sino sumunog? Come on, eh, sinunog ko yung kotse ko.
Pre, kumalma ka lang.
Alam ko, di ako... Salvador! Salvador, namamadali eh. Yun, pre! Slowly but surely ko na lang ginagalaw yung kotse ko. Ah! Ang gabi yung chuck na yan. Oh, pre, ikaw muna. Ayoko yung chuck na yan ah. Si Salvador pa kasi bad trip. Si Salvador pa yung last pumili ng chuck. Alright, go Vives. Salvador! 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 Ang galing!
No! Yes.
Pinantay ako ni Salvador. Yan, karma sa'yo. Karma sa'yo. Karma sa'yo. Namatay ka din. Karma. Karma sa'yo. Karma sa'yo. Karma. Pip, 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 pip. Ops, karma. Ang galing mo.
I love this game. Oh, I love this game.
Maganda tong game na to
Can do
kapag
this.
may kasama tayo ng anim. Maganda yun. Chaotic pa. Si Salvador nahihirapan, no? Oops! Whee! Nakita ko yun, Salvador.
Hindi ko na yan.
Or, 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 or. Pam, pam, pam,
Tama
pam,
lang.
pam, 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 pam.
Sige, huwag ka
Salvador!
na kumalma dyan. Yes! Yeah! Oh, bye-bye sa
Sabi kasi nga, kakasabi lang, kalma lang. Hindi kasi ko kalma.
Hindi kumalma si Salvador Manel for the second, third, the fourth, the fifth, sixth, and the seventh.
Ano yung nakuha ko?
Grabe ng lucky. No?
Ano yung nakuha ko? Hindi ko na naiintindihan rin yung nakuha ko. Uy! Second place ulit! 50 points away lang ulit. This game is called Blind Killer, which is the famous trend game since 2025, if I remember correctly, which is don't try to make a sound, or the killer or the hider or the seeker will find you, because the seeker is wearing a blindfold, and if they heard you, they will shoot you. That's what the game is from the TikTok trends. This is like blind killer. If you're a killer, try to locate the red character itself. If you're a runner, try to hide away from from the killer. That's all about the game, like hide and seek. Bye bye.
If you move, the killer can hear and see you. Oh, okay.
Yeah, kasi meron kang kasing rubber ducky sa ilalim ng paa mo. Kaya ako pa talaga naging clean. Ako pa talaga yung killer, ah. Ang galing. Bastos. Don't make a noise, remember. Lapit na. Don't make a noise. Come on, I repeat more than once. Gising yung Salvador sa wakas.
No!
Bro, come on. It's hard to be a killer. Bakit dito kasama? Hindi ka pinatabagan. Yun! Na-outplayed sa wakas. Ang hirap maging killer. Si Salvador.
Sam, I'm behind the hay bale over there on the right.
How did he know?
I'm inside the hut. I'm inside the hut.
Ang isa kabayan. Nasawel ako.
I'm right there, Sam. Hit me.
No! I'm gonna bring it to you.
Hindi. Let's confuse him. Let's confuse him.
Wait, sa siya. Oh, shoot! Ano yan? Yay! This game is it's all about that you and your friends is going to make a lot of many chaotic times over here, because you have to work together with your friends. But if you die, you and your friends have to restart one more time until you reach the golden button or the golden platform. You have to work together, strategize it, and that's all about the game. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, sumasama ka pa. We're blockies. Alright. Welcome in blockies. I'm going to be free, so jump. Jump! Good.
Oh, sorry!
Pray! You killed
My
me.
bad.
Come on.
Jump. And that's all.
Open levels. Level 1.
Fine.
Whatever. Proceed. Freeze up. Work. Okay, pwede kayo mag-freeze. Di lang ako dapat nag-freeze. Press E to freeze. Sabay pa kayo ah. Okay, go. Press E. Go, go, go. Yan. Pasok.
Yes!
Bakit ka nag-freeze?
Ay! Come on!
Lumusot si Salvador sa ilalim.
I like games like this.
Babe!
BBD toilet!
Bibili toilet.
Well,
Buhay.
ang galing. Lumulutang ako.
Pre, nasaan ka?
Nasa taas ako.
Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Bakit kami lang dalawa ni Salvador na dito?
Um, medyo... hi guys.
Ano dyan ka na agad? Ano ba yan? Ang
Kasi
daya.
lumulutang ako sa taas eh.
Ang daya. Sino namatay?
Huh?
Sino pumatay?
Fucking no. Freeze lang ako eh. Nag-freeze. Blood.
Salvador! You're lucky.
It's Salvador's fault. Ay, malam.
Salvador, just slide. Don't you worry. Just slide. Pre, tignan mo kami.
Hindi ko makita. Naka-frozen na ako.
Pre, ang taas masyado.
Ha? I think
Ano ba yan?
if dying was an artist, would be Picasso. Ano ba? Aray.
Butingan ka na.
Ano ba? Wow!
Why did it die? Why?
I keep dying.
Yes, you see. Yes, we all know you kept dying. Salvador, stop jumping. Stop!
Oh,
Bro, Salvador kept jumping on my head.
kalma, please. Calm down. Let us all just chillax.
Langit na ko yan ah. Salvador, hindi ka nag-freeze.
Ang dali-dali ng level.
Di nag-freeze si Salvador. Pre! 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 You made me slide. We all have... I'm mad.
Sino na mamatay?
I just died. I just died. I just died.
My bad.
Okay, come on, man. Sino namatay?
Mission failed successfully. Are you serious? This level is so easy, but yet we still die a lot.
We're just noobs.
How hard can it be? No!
Sino na namatay? Who just died? Beavers?
Bro, what's going on? Nangyayari sa inyo? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Teka ko! What?
Wait, what?
How did we die?
Guys, what's happening? Ang dali-dali ng level na pasahirapan tayo. What's this? Again. It was YT rough.
Ang galing.
Ay, dalawa lang ni Salvador may problema din. I just died for some reason din.
Ang sobrang dali ng level.
Salvador!
Pero ay nahihirapan.
Yung pag-akyat namin ni Salvador, natulak ako. Last, umikot ako. Salvador, stop! Salvador, stop! Salvador is carrying me. Ay, pre, pasok. I made you,
Akala mo, ha?
I made you jump.
Sino yun?
It's me. Nakapakan ko yung red. Okay, isa-isa lang muna. Isa-isa lang muna. Isa-isa lang muna. Si Salvador.
Yes! Go! Para matapos na tayo!
Ah.
Oh,
Oh my God. 8 minutes pa lang tayo yun, ha?
28!
We just made 8 minutes.
Galing!
Oh, paano tayo namatay? Oh, ano to nasapan ko?
Ah,
What is this? What is this? It's Salvador. Ay, it's Salvador. It's Vives. Ang pre, masyadong mataas yan ata. Oh, pre!
ay, sorry!
Ah. Hold on.
Ano
Okay.
na?
Go ahead, Vives. Yeah!
Wow.
I'm gonna open another one. What do I get? A rare. It's Vives. I got rare Vives. What? I get an orange?
Orange.
I got the orange? Where? Hold on, I'm a bit confused.
Proceed!
Oh yeah, I have an orange. Look at my hat. Akala mo totoong ladder. Akala mo totoong ladder, no?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Pagtanggal yun sa platform doon, nahulog ako.
Salvador, please don't mess this up. Oh, yes, finally.
Kaya, talon. Tapos, antay natin si Salvador.
Come on, Manansala. Binibigyan
Tapos,
ang ice.
Vives, talon ka dun sa platform, pero freeze ka agad. Talon kayo dyan, freeze. Pre, ang taas masyado yan, Salvador. Babay mo pa na konti.
So,
Yeah. Salvador, talon, tapos punta ka sa platform, tapos freeze. Masyado ba? Alam mo, Salvador, dito ka na nga. Dito ka sa baba.
Wait.
Dito ka
Kaya
sa,
ko na yan sana.
dito ka na sa baba, dito ka. Dito ka. Dito ka, kung saan ako tumatalon. Dito ka, Salvador. Dito. Dito. Diyan ka mag-freeze. Dito nga.
Coordination.
Dito ko nga mag-freeze. Sa suntukin si Salvador. Hindi naman namin makinig. Salvador. Sabi ko.
But so why? Oh.
Salvador, sabi ko ito. Dito ka mag-freeze. Oh my God. You're making me rage quit, to be honest. You know what? I'm not gonna get rage quit. I'm gonna open my chest. My brain hurts very much because of Salvador. I get a stupid auto on common. What do I get? I want the best one. No, the basic. Oh my God, it's a hat now. Oh my God, Salvador, you are not listening properly.
Ang galing yung...
Ayan, ang baba ko. Ang baba ko. Bilisan mo, mamatay na ako dito.
Please somewhere.
Not on top of it.
Oh,
Hindi ko talaga muna mag-coordinate sa Salvador. Sa totoo lang.
Salvador.
Yan, talod. Ayun. This game is slap battle. So, it's a PvP fight as well. So, you have to push or slap other people to get the point or to get a slap money to get a brand new slap hands from the slap shop itself. So you have to slap everybody to make some money and try to avoid to not let yourself go fall from the void. So that's all about the game. As you can see, it's much more chaotic with your friends as well to have a private server. And yeah, that's all about the game. Slap the people to win the game or to get a money as well. So it's all about slap battle. I don't know what else to say. Slap battle. Woo! Bro, double team nyo ako. Bro, you're double teaming me.
This guy stinks.
Ano yun? What is this ability word? We're just upping each other. Yeah, kill Salvador. Kill Salvador. Yes!
Just you left.
Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you first. Oh my god. What is the work of the sleep?
Salvador.
Bro, I don't understand the sleep. I don't understand sleep, to be honest. Patay ko na si Vives. Yes! I'm gonna kill you. Bro, slap me 3 times. Yes! Yes!
Good na kayo, ah. No! No.
Tapos na pa yun ay. No! We killed each other.
Aray ko, putik na matay.
Ito si Salvador talaga, oh. You die.
Huwag nila ako pansinin dito. Ba't ako na ng bridge? Why are you minding me? Why do you mind me? Pay attention to me.
You died. This is going to be the end of episode 1, actually. Episode 1 of playing every single game in my Spin the Wheel list. Sadly, we only have 3 players or 3 to 4 players of actually. It's not really fully squad level. Maybe on upcoming Sundays or other days that we're going to do, that we're gonna make another video about this, boys. So I hope you really enjoy this video. That we have so many funny moments about here. We have so many chaotic happens over here. We got Pioneer got scared from a paranormal, also me, and we got so many funny but crazy activities and some other stuff that we got technical problems as well, technical difficulties. So I hope you enjoy the little broadcast that I made from you guys from the start of the video. A little pep talk to some of my friends, a little getting to know my two other friends, Pionelia and Salvador over here. Salvador is down there. Pionelia earlier we thought you saw. And I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Maybe tomorrow or maybe Saturday that we're going to make another video about this. So see you guys there on the next episode of Roblox. Playing every single game in my spin the wheel. So I hope you really guys enjoy that series. And
Subscribe.
maybe, oh yeah, I forgot to say to you guys that in my Minecraft series of Fires That Needed to Block First, I'm going to make a brand new version na naman again. It's not because of the name, but because na hindi ko kaya ibalik yung world ng kasamang mods, pero nag-iisip na lang ako na ayoko na gumawa na pang series na puro mga 64 mods in Forge. So I plan to do a fabric series using shaders from Iris and Sodium, using resource packs and other little mods that I can use from fabric as well, like replay mod and freecam. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that new version or new feature that I'm going to add to this episode 6 of Horizon to the Block First. And I hope you guys enjoy that episode as well. And I'm going to make that episode coming soon, not today, but coming soon. And I really, really hope you guys know and understand why I would do this, because I have been having a very difficult time to record with 64 mods, with shaders, and other stuff that I cannot do anymore. So I'm going to make a huge difference or a huge big change from that series as well on not using Forge, but now Fabric, Optifine, Iris, Sodium. So we can use shaders and Fabric, other mods that I can use. So that's all about that. I'm going to make an announcement for the new episode 6. I'm going to make a post later on or maybe tomorrow about that for more details. Not here today. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. And upcoming May, upcoming end of the March, I'm going to make another brand new episode or brand new video about unboxing Cookie and Bravers. But this time I'm going to unboxing every single box except base set 1 and 2 and base set 7. Yeah, that's all. I'm going to open 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 8 and 9. That's how many that I'm going to open. And stop, Salvador. I know you're gonna say 6, 7. I know you're gonna say 7. I 6, 7. So I did not say 7.
Bro.
Ano?